Hi, my name is Michael Balsamo. I head up the hardware team at Creator. We used Dassault System Solutions to create the very first robot that makes burgers from start to finish. It's our goal to make the freshest burger possible, and the way that we did that was we made the machine that was able to toast your bun right to order. We cut the tomatoes, the onions, the pickles at the point of order. We grate and melt your cheese, grind your meat ready to order. We use culinary techniques which are very difficult to do by hand to create an amazing dining experience. Additionally, customization is enabled. It's very easy. We offer a lot of variety, and the robotic technology actually enables that. In addition, this is the first time that a lot of people will be interacting with a robot in a dining experience, and we really wanted to take that opportunity to help provide our vision of what that experience would look like. And so we were extremely conscious of how the machine exists in the restaurant, how the restaurant looked, how you as a customer would be interacting with the machine and the restaurant. And so everything came about into a full ecosystem of what this dining experience would be. The design of this robot was actually very complex. It required the input of multiple parties from electrical, mechanical systems to accomplish the design and the execution of it. When we were selecting a design platform, we chose CATIA particularly for a couple of reasons. One was its ability to select user roles. And so what that allowed us to do was it allowed us to have collaboration between mechanical, electrical, systems engineering, all working together on the same platform. Additionally, its large assembly handling was tremendous for us. With over 3,000 parts, a lot of other CAD systems cannot handle what CATIA brings to the table. And so we're able to effortlessly open up large models, interrogate them, present them to engineering, present them to management, rather effortlessly. Finally, the other attribute that was very important to us was its tight integration with Innovia. For us, having the workflow where we both do design and we both do lifecycle management was key for us to be successful. And we were happy to select CATIA and use it to provide our solution.
My favorite capabilities of CATIA is the strong top-down modeling techniques, as well as the ability to open large assemblies. And the integration of the 3D Experience platform lets us collaborate in real time across sub-assemblies and teams.
I'm a new CATIA user. I've been using the product for about a month now. The ability to see and work on an entire assembly is extremely beneficial. CATIA enables me to work on what I need to while teammates can concurrently work on the same assembly. This allows for better collaboration across teams, across disciplines, and creating a more efficient design flow.
We selected the OnCloud solution for two primary reasons. One was its scalability. For us, we're a small engineering firm, and we needed to have a software that was capable, scalable, and also didn't require a lot of infrastructure. And the OnCloud solution provided that. The infrastructure and handling of the software is handled on the cloud, and so it's really an out-of-box solution for us. We were able to get up and running very, very quickly. Additionally, because it's web-based, collaboration is very, very important for us. And so, we have business managers, we have engineers that all touch CAD and everything that's on the cloud. And so having a web-based platform to access that was incredibly easy for us. And so for those reasons, we've been really happy that we chose the OnCloud solution.